Hey y'all. All right, I'm here to make a new smoothie. All right, here are the bananas, apples, ginger, cucumbers, celery, lemon juice, spinach, avocados, strawberries, blackberries. Then in this bowl, I have cut up honeydew, pineapples, and some leftover cantaloupe. All right, now let's get to it. Let's put the spinach in first. Oh. Avocados. See, the avocados help to thicken the smoothie without adding extra sugar to the drink. Now, it's a great replacement for yogurt. But if you must have yogurt, you can just go to like Walmart to get the plain white yogurt, like the Chobani brand. That's a real good brand for yogurt. Now here's the strawberries. Here's the blackberries. Oh. Bananas. I got some more to put in there. Oh, my goodness. Apples. Celery and cucumbers. The ginger. See, one thing about ginger is it has like a spicy, hot flavor to it, but it's also kind of tangy and sweet all at the same time. And what it does is it cleans you out and burns a lot of fat and calories. See, this week alone, I lost 6 pounds off of these smoothies with ginger added on to it. Now, before I go on, I'm not going to add the honeydew, pineapples, and cantaloupe to the smoothie yet because, see, the blender's already super full. But what I will do is pour the cup of water in here. So what I'm going to do after all this is just blend it all up. And once it gets blended, then I'll add the last 3 remaining fruits to the smoothie. I'll just add a little bit because I don't want to break this blender. I paid a decent amount of money for it, so. And I use it for almost everything. Alrighty. I see the blender's all plugged up. Now let's, oh my goodness. Now let's blend. Now when this happens, all I gotta do is just pull out a spoon, open it up, and stir it a bit. And stir up all the ingredients like this. Now, let's blend again. Alrighty, there's more than enough room for the 3 remaining fruits. Let's grab a little handful of the honeydew. Well, 2 little handfuls for me, because I just love honeydew so much. Then some pineapple. Just grab 1 handful of the pineapple. That's where I'm going. I may have to add some more water to the smoothie just so it won't come out too thick. Let's see, I added 2 bananas to the smoothie. And one thing that bananas have in common with avocados is that they help thicken the smoothie as well. So with the 2 put together, oh, that's going to be for a really thick smoothie. And no. Oh! Let me just rinse this little slice. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Let's get some more water. Alrighty. I could add a little bit more pineapple to the smoothie. Just a little bit, because it's already full of ingredients. I don't want to overfill it. Then have my worst nightmare come true about the blender. Oh no. Alrighty. Now, 1, 2, 3. Blend! do a smoothness check. Because as y'all know, I like my smoothies to be real smooth. You know, some people like their smoothies to have like some chunks of cut of fruit and veggies in it. Now me, I like everything to be smoothened all the way out. That's why in the last how-to video, I ended up triple blending the smoothie. See, there are times when I'll quadruple blend it because I really like it smooth. And the reason for that is because I don't want any, leftover fruits or any residue of the fruits and veggies come from the smoothie to like land in between my teeth, which makes the flossing a lot harder. So, yeah, that's why I like it extra smooth. Alrighty, let's do another smoothness check. See, if it wasn't so packed up, the blender, I would go for another blending round. Okie dokie. Oh, excuse me. Oh, alrighty. No, hold up. Let me not jump the gun. Yeah, I forgot to put the lemon, but it don't matter. I don't have to put lemon juice in there. I got more than enough fat-burning ingredients in that smoothie. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, I still got some chunks in there. Ugh, no. But it's all good. I know it's going to make for a delicious, nutritious smoothie. Ooh. Yeah. There you go. There's your homemade smoothie. You don't have to go to Jamba Juice or Tropical Smoothie to get a smoothie. I mean, you can if you want to, but, one thing that I must say is that those smoothie spots, put a lot of sugar in their smoothies along with other ingredients that create more sugar, which also, opens up the floodgates of danger for your waistline. So keep that in mind. If you must go to Tropical Smoothie and Jamba Juice and other popular smoothie spots, please do so in moderation for the sake of your health and your wallet. Alrighty? Now, if you like this video and it helped you in any way, feel free to like it, share this video, and subscribe to this channel, alrighty? Now, take care and have a blessed day.